Hello everyone, I am Roshni Jain, a lecturer from R.C. Patel Polytechnic, Shirpur. In the previous lecture, we studied about the definition of the determinants, notations, uses, and some basic example of second order determinants. Now we are going to learn the determinant of third order is that an arrangement of 9 elements in 3 rows and 3 columns. It's called as determinant of the third order. Let us see the example of third order determinant in which the arrangement of 9 elements, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Next, the signs of determinants in which we can observe that every element has an alternate sign like plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. This is the most important point in this lecture and very useful in the expansion of third order determinant. Let us see the expansion of third order determinant in which first we find the minor of an element. For getting the minor of any element, we delete the row and column of that particular element and it is denoted by Mij. So what is Mij? M stands for minor, I for ith row and J for jth column. For example, the third order determinant in which the arrangement of 9 elements, then the minor of an element A is the first element of the determinant, is given by M11. So what is M11? M stand for minor, 1 stand for first row and other one stand for first column. So we delete the element in the first row and first column. So remaining element is that E, F, H, I. Similarly, minor of an element B is given by M12. We delete the element of the first row and the second column. So remaining element is that D, F, G, I, that is equals to is the minor of the second element, and the minor of and the element C is given by M13. Again same, we delete the element of the first row and the third column is equals to D, E, G, H. Now the expansion of the third order determinant is given by, first we write the element A, that is first element, multiplied by minor of the element A, minus the second element B multiplied by minor of second element, plus C is the third element multiplied by minor of the third element. Let us see the example of third order determinant. Expand the determinant of the element 3 minus 5 minus 1 135 minus 5 1 3. Let us see the solution. First we denote the letter capital D of the determinant is equals to given determinant 3 minus 5 minus 1 135 minus 5 1 3, that is equals to, first we write the element 3, that is first element, multiplied by the minor of the first element is, we delete the first row and the first column element. So remaining element is that 3 5 1 3, minus second element is a minus 5 multiplied by minor of the minus 5 is, we delete the element of the first row and second column. So remaining element is that 1 5 minus 5 3, plus third element is minus 1 multiplied by the third element of the minor is that 1 3 minus 5 1. In the next step 3 as it is. So second order determinant, the expansion is that product of main diagonal element is 3 into 3 is a 9, minus product of anti-diagonal element is a 5 into 1 is 5. So minus minus plus 5 into, again same, product of main diagonal element is 1 into 3 is a 3, minus product of anti-diagonal element is a minus 5 into 5 is minus 25. So minus minus plus 25, plus minus 1. So plus minus is a minus 1 into, again same, product of main diagonal element is a 1, minus product of anti-diagonal element is a minus 15. So minus minus plus 15. That is equals to, in the next step, 3 as it is. In the bracket calculation, 9 minus 5 is a 4, plus 5 in the bracket calculation, 3 plus 25 is a 28, minus 1 into 16. In the next step, 3 into 4 is a 12, plus 5 into 28 is a 140, minus 16. That is equals to 12 plus 140 is 152, minus 16, and the last answer will get 136. So D is equals to 136. Now in the next example, expand the determinant of 106, 725, 346. Let us see the solution. We denote the letter capital D of the given determinant. That is equals to, we write the first element as a 1 multiplied by minor of the 1. That is, we delete the element in the first row and first column. So remaining element is that 2546, minus second element is a 0 multiplied by minor of the second element, plus third element is a 6 multiplied by the minor of the second element. So by definition of the minor is that we delete the element in the first row and third column. So remaining element is that 7, 2, 3, 4. Next step, that is equals to 1 into, again same, the expansion of the second order determinant is that product of main diagonal element is a 12, 2 into 6 is a 12, minus product of anti-diagonal elements is a 4 into 5 is a 20, minus 0, plus 6 into 28 minus 6. That is equals to 1 into, bracket calculation is a 12 minus 20 is a minus 8, minus 0 plus 6 into 28 minus 6 is a 22. So that is equals to 1 into minus 8 is a minus 8, plus 6 into 22 is a 132. And the last step, D is equals to 124. This is the value of the determinant. And the last example, this is a most important. Find the value of the x if the value is a 439, 32714x is equals to 0. This is the third order determinant. Again same, the solution is that given determinant is equals to 0. Now first we write the first element 4 multiplied by the minor of the first element is that 274x, minus second element is a 3. Minor of the second element is, we delete the first row of the element and the second column. So remaining element is that 371x, plus 9 is the third element multiplied by minor of the third element 3214 is equals to 0. So 4 as it is. Again same, the expansion of the main diagonal elements. Again same, the expansion of the second order determinant is that product of main diagonal element is 2x, minus product of anti-diagonal elements is a 28, minus 3 into product of main diagonal elements is a 3x, minus product of anti-diagonal elements is a 7, plus 9 into product of main diagonal elements is a 12, minus anti-diagonal elements is a 2, that is equals to 0. Now the calculation is that 4 multiplied in the bracket 4 into 2x is a 8x, minus 4 into 28 is a 112, minus 3 into 3x is a 9x, minus minus plus 3 into 7 is a 21, plus 9 into, in a bracket calculation 12 minus 2 is a 10, 10 into 9 is a 90, that is equals to 0. So in the next step, 8x minus 9x is a minus x, minus constant number 112 plus 21 plus 90 is equals to 0. So minus x minus 112 plus 111 is equals to 0. So minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. That is x is equals to 1 and x is equals to minus 1. This is a determinant value of the x. So, in the next lecture, we are going to learn the Cramer's rule of the determinant and find the area of the triangle by using determinant method. So, thank you.